Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is create drop-down lists for projects. By using a drop-down list in Google Docs, you can answer a question, select the status of a project or task, pick a menu item, choose a location, and so much more. For example, in a task that needs to be reviewed, you could mark the status as not started, deferred, in progress, or completed. Let's look at how to set up a drop-down list. Open Google Chrome and click the waffle to the left of your profile picture, then click Docs. Open the list of projects or project tasks that you want to add the drop-down list to. On the toolbar at the top, click Insert and then click Drop-Down. In the pop-up, you can choose to create your own list or choose a preset drop-down. For this demonstration, we will create a new list. In the pop-up, click New Drop-Down. In the template name box, type what you want to name your drop-down list. Click the drop-down next to the options and select the color you want the options highlighted in. Different colors are preferred. In the option box, name each option. If you have more options than the 4 listed, click the new option link. To delete an option, click the trash can to the right of that option. When you are finished, click Save in the bottom right of the pop-up. Do this for each task or project. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.